Hello, my dear brother and sister, and welcome to the Live One Jamming blog channel. Okay, all videos lamna ni kaisa no reason, kaisa no motive. That is, chini students like class 12 pass angero ni pagai ang kaisa easy decision na ni pagai kaisa video. Omong kha no class 12 pai one sugi mano decision nai mi ani tongmano jang boro admission na nai bo college admission na nai boro na khang jano. Right? Sooner or once we don't hang ang totally class family or politona students or Islam. Decide kai member of decide kai my video kasi Islam is nang 5 zona 4 zona 6 7 8 9 10 pan nai kisam misha one sugoi kisam misha a video ni through nai no decide kai it will be grateful for us. Okay, let's start phadi a topic ko salai juana puilang ke congratulations. We know not Tana Raymano just promoting it without exam. So ignore that and come high on Saturday. Not only knowledge is important, not only this hard work, high class 12. Obviously, exam will not pass no kumu. I'm important, exam important, but not of knowledge get a money. I think knowledge is just important. Now, not only next, not decision, not only graduation, obviously, almost arts graduation work and middle class students sarani mucho personally Tripura University or Central University or any course class to obviously any parents effort big expenses expensive time colleges obviously ang nichibo mama sugo higher boro an effort amni bagai high students on video Islamic dongo time experience German money or experience no only can share money reason video ni through pa nai kasi decision easy kenai mana okay video ang one take bagai Islamic dongo time ang card kai kok ka hapsi mi sana mo whatever ang sanai kok hanya pas sadari thangman so amani bagai pujan nakasan okay kok hai si ang duitinta point kasi sana mo no dress no nai college choose ta khai di college programs no college kebama kaham borok phayo kebama jagwani dol thangka ang baran thana ni please no ta one somebody ang middle class family wo tonga students no bai sai tong wan sunani ingam ka amoya je ajaga dress kaham ajaga programs no ajaga bike bai thangai leo ajago gari bai thangai leo amo important ya important tamo ke nini parents nini ma fanono a college pori rui da mano amos important time ke naidi my dear brothers and sisters time ke chung saimano o situation table se hamya angre ngrak nga omani bisingoi do ka hampa nang thanga tai 3 month 4 month 5 month ni bisingo nge amoni pore o sini je aro expenses ni to je nang to mani omo te se kubang high ni to petrol ni dam kubang ni to ya vegetables ni dam kubang ni to kenin parents te chin khai middle class ni parents effort of khai mano ama high fee structures no ama high colleges no obviously ni enjoyment tong nai ni dol ro most of the 99% in friends ro college thanai khang college thanai private college but nin parents amana effort da khai mano obviously nin parents no for a moment no saipan mano okay nin muchoma tai no por na kha ja por di khane but mostly important and ke porong no maya nangwa ba yaro rit ro hoka but busu cost ma khlai no busu effort ma no busu ke sai nang ya khini ni ba ga fee structure no ma khati no tai ri yang kha no exam ma gala right hangke jodi by chance ne parents no aja go fee structure refund ma yang thanga 1 year ni pore 1 year maintain khai man pore ni academic season ara no start engte ara no pai thana hangke am tin suggest khai no mu chuma khong se ni dedication dong khe ni focus dong hang kan any college pore ui po ni live no ka hang ka talang thang mano obviously ang unexperienced sakang kang ta bo mas lai tong ang ta sa government college pore tong ong kan central government college amon isgang ani schooling ba government ono khlai kya free school ke ang sai tong ang tini je ungi tong ani omen soto no kaisa chini family chini middle class family ni through one sugoi amono nai one sugoi decision na mani right decision na mani jeng chini jora o class 12 ro pass for ke bas mo suggest khainai kere je boro thanai ta mong but jeng apro sak bai thang decision na kha a decision bai na chung tini oro nke ang am bai no rong thani sana mo chung no ni thani ta ke bo kering to no decision naran bai help khainai ke please no ba video ni through pa nai bujidi it's a long ngi thanai o kok tang yang ka obviously ka sam no bujidi na thang nge bere khan lo nke no rong thani ang ka no ka first college tai hai ke university ang suggest khaima ning khatir pa university or ong khachung rang common o mutamoti course ka ham khlai man ang expenses college ni bagi tangi sayang ka jaga no effort khaima ya ang ni se effort khaimia bui ba effort khaimia je middle class ning ke no bai ke effort khaima nong ni parents actually no mu chung oi to thang man ba dang ke no ni parents ni bagi se sau no ni parents bai ke effort khlai na tai ing ke amo impossible ngai thang actually kisa wan sugui nai khadi tai wan sugui nai khan kamai bela kin impossible ngai thang fee structure maintain khanya amo no ma wan sungai because not that 12 pass khan no mature enough amo wan sunga bagi je tam khai nai khai tamo khala ken in parents no kaham ke effort level ke no rang ri tong mano no pocket money ri tong mano tai ken am ha expensive college admission now even no pocket money plus in fee structure plus in rent structure nani bela ken difficult ngi thanai so my dear brother and sister kisa wan sogdi no bai tam kaham ke ani most of the ani live my creation members joton trip by university course khlai to and amni bagai ang sanamu chungo chung experience tongo busu joroti aro kaham haimia obviously joto colleges no haimia tongo kaham ngi man sugya but amoni thani se nang busu dedication roi kaham ke porina bai chai tong a chai tong man mission tri se ni academic season kaham mong nai that's why ang no thani sanamu chungo no trip by university course na na hanke please comment khlai di thatai hayan ke bang number ri ro no obviously ang number ri ro joto no ang bai like freely contact totally anytime no help kind of obviously ang tongo plus Chiba University form clubbing starting ya ko ong khang kang sanai or this year tama katal course phai kya hai ke bhai ke apply khaine te bom hai selection process entrance tong hang ke bo bhai ke no entrance sanai ta por na na ang so thong nong thani sanai ang ni bagai ang suggest khayo puila no aza go try khaina bagai ta ke am no ara go mostly com rang bai like 5000 ni under agi to tep se kom but tabo khong ke bui importance ran shurung kha class 12 pai ning direct by university central university o ni admission nang khang ke nang bo kaisa feel khaina je okay so okay sorry am alarm pumita am ke amani bagai sao please can amni pore bo ko colleges to obviously baksa to arza dress night to say hani mano the fact like mbb the bbmc ro anga degree ko college to khumulongo anga amo ya dress important aza ga pore ko ma poro success ngi thanai to success manai to anga joton am doni dedication chi toni focus khaimani ngi si poro success ngai man anga am doi shaw no chai tok di bo college nong bai kaham obviously no force to khaimani ko gya mane bas suggest khaimani ko se je Tripura University ko kaisa opportunity to no ni bai chung khai middle class family ni bai ja jaga bo no kaisa course ka ham mani manu plus no jese college of product ro Tripura University ni under to unko ro MBB college ro kri kha hyper no jaga bo ka ham ke pori thamano jori no dedication to ham ke but firstly no class 12 pai tabuk mostly no nariman kha try khaiman khang ke try khai na je Tripura University o no class 12 pa yaro political science history tai koma ke english ro philosophy ro now even no course khlai mano graduation and plus ta ke no jodi film dakalai ma creation ni je jin khlai ma hai o jaga film production hai ke video production no samo khlai ma hai a jaga ni bo porna mu su no class 12 pa video production pori mano obviously je ta jo te video nai ne to course ni ba samane video production hani bo kaisa course to no class 12 pa amo porimanai so o video na sa log lia just kaisa notice ri ma se je no rok muchung khangke ta kaisa further details na muchung khan nawi manai so guys think about your parents think about the situation think about their hard work think about the difficulties they will face with your wrong decision. Right? The wrong decision nak program difficulties face khaiman sin parents amno wan sugli and in right decision no boza ta langai thangman amno wan sugli. That's why ang tawon my brother Samson ozaga no help khaina bagai Tripura University ni under rote Tripura University under course khai bahikan of success ni thangman amno Simon namu sokhe please no comment khai plus no number drop khai mano hack no an number ano contact khai mano WhatsApp only WhatsApp DM. Okay, so I hope no kisami sapan buji khana hanai tai decision nana by kisale easy ni thanga hanai ang believe khlayo and yeah all the love tai my can no chini live marketing of support khai tong di thank you channel interest no nai tong okay obviously jago je subscriber go nai tong hana am bai hambai chini motive no no success ang ang thang no kaisa segment tang kaham ke basa saimi ami mano Tripura University ni bagai 12 pai baza thangmano honai Central University direct masters course but yes it's possible and yeah ang all video end khaisina jotong kaham tong di tai like be freeing the unknown contact problem kare. Okay, so bye.